amount of energy of a 357 bullet, and yet it exceeded that. I knew lawnmowers were scary. I just didn't know how scary. So with everything that we tested, I think we have definitively proven, and frankly I'm astonished by this, but that a rock thrown from a lawnmower can possibly have as much or more power than a bullet from a 357. I'm astonished, but this one's confirmed.
Yeah, I was surprised too. But you know, that gave me an idea.
What?
I want to make the lawnmower from hell.
You do that, I'm gonna go home and hide.
With typical enthusiasm for engineering extremes, the Heineman's going all out to turn a dream domestic mower into a deadly weaponized nightmare. And the key to his hellish vision,
That's going to be sweet.
is to load up with a whole load more power.
Oh my God, that's one big battery. What this is a bank of about 90 volts at about 1800 amps. That means that shorting some of these would pretty much be like setting off a stick of dynamite.
What are we doing back here at the Chabot gun range? Well, remember that we have absolutely determined that a lawnmower can hurl a rock with the same amount or greater force than a bullet from a 357. That means that a lawnmower can be weaponized, and that fact, well, let's just say that fact was too tempting for Jamie.
When it comes to terrifying engineering and gratuitous ramping up, the Heineman has history.
I call it my little pop gun.
When he decides to go over the top,
We want more?
it's a good idea to duck, cover, and wear a hard hat at a safe distance.
Introducing the lawnmower from hell. You've got 200 horsepower of electric car motors, 1800 amps of lithium batteries. They'll be spinning a 50-pound tool steel blade at upwards of 5,000 RPM. Put it all together, and you really don't want to try this at home. First up, we're going to get the beast here a little taste. Just a little taste. It's a bucket of blue water.
Go for it! Oh, I've rarely been so happy to be behind the bulletproof shields. He's approaching. 6 feet. 4 feet. 2 feet, it goes! That was beautiful. Tell you what, why don't you take this thing around the corner? I'll set up a really fun course for you to implement as much destruction as possible. I'll let you know when we're ready for you.
Okay.
So how do you put a ridiculously souped up and almost definitely dangerous lawnmower through its paces? I decided on a broad range of material. Now we're getting serious. I wanted some small hard things to get that bullet-like carnage, like a frat house lawn. And I wanted some big things to get some awesome high-speed camera carnage. I call this section the palate cleanser. My prediction? Gotta have some willing victims. Frankly, I just hope no one gets hurt. Last one, like some sort of kumbaya dance circle. In fact, it's a circle de los muertos.